Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to talk about the prostate gland, which is a small gland that is like the size of a walnut, located below the bladder in men. It's only found in men. Women don't have prostate gland. And we are going to see some of the benefits, the action or the effects of the prostate gland in the health of men, and what happens when it's malfunctioning or when it's sick. The gland can be sick also. So what happens? How does it affect the man? We are going to mention this, and in the end of the video I will also give you solutions to help with these conditions. I am Juliet Oriri from the Live Well Pathway. So let's go into it. First of the crucial role that the prostate gland perform is with reproduction. How does it do this? The prostate gland produces a seminal fluid that are vital as a component of semen. This helps to nourish nourish and protect the sperm cells, increasing their chances of fertilizing an egg during intercourse. So, when this function is compromised, we see that the man can come up with issues of infertility, low sperm count, or unhealthy sperm that are too sluggish to swim, so that they don't get into the uterus and to the fallopian tubes to fertilize the egg. So these are issues that arises. As we go on, we are going to mention the issues. Now, second point, what does the prostate gland help the man to do? Another thing that it helps is in promoting urinary continence. Continence is your ability to hold back before you go to void. So if you are not able to control your ability not to go, then that means you are incontinent. So you will without your will. So it just comes on its own, involuntarily. So, but when you are continent, you are able to say when you want to pass urine or when not to. So, is this prostate gland that actually help you in that function of getting control over when to pee or when not to. So, it helps you. And it helps you to avoid leaking of urine. That is your continence, your own control on it. The third thing that it does, it helps in hormone regulation. It helps in regulating the hormone testosterone. That is the main hormone of the man, that helps with reproduction. And this also is essential for sexual function, for libido, for muscle mass, and also for the total well-being. It contributes to the total well-being of the man as well as ejaculation. So we see that when the prostate gland is not functioning right, we'll have issue with erectile dysfunction, poor ejaculation, inability to sustain an erection. It's a problem that is very common among guys. So it's because of your prostate gland that is malfunctioning, or it's not well, I will say. So when another thing that can affect your prostate, it can get enlarged. That's what we call BPH. When it's enlarged, it compresses on the urethra and makes the lumen of the urethra to be so small, so that the urine, the passage of urine, as it goes through the urethra, you have a lot of pain. That is why guys that have BPH can complain of pain when they are peeing. Sometimes it takes a lot of effort for the flow to start, and also during the process they can also have pains. And sometimes in older men there is delay in completely emptying their bladder, so they have to shake the penis as to bring out the remaining urine. So they will be having residual urine in the bladder. So these are issues that come as a result of when your prostate gland is not in top notch. It's not working as it is meant to be. So whether you want to prevent these health issues, or you already have experienced some of these issues that I've mentioned, and now you want to manage it, I present to you today Vigorboard and Cram Stem Board. These two products, they are very good. They are natural, made of herbs, ancient medicine that are household name. So, and we have had many people who have used this, and they are giving testimonials of how effective it is compared to what they are using before. So first, I'll present to you Vigorboard. Vigorboard helps your prostate gland to come back to life again. It helps to remove some, apart from swelling, some can be infection, prostatitis. These have a broad range, I call it like a broad spectrum of antibiotics that can help to treat that infection, and you come back to your normal self again. It also helps to reduce the swelling that is associated with the BPH. So it treats the tumor itself. So this is a very good coffee that guys should have in their pantry. This should be in your kitchen. Use it either for prevention or you are managing. Get a pack for yourself today. We women that have guys in our life, let's help them, support them to have their prostate health in check, because you know it will affect you too. Yeah, because if the other room is not performing well, there's no happiness. So let us keep at the health of our men's prostate gland. So the second remedy I want to give to you is Cram Stem Board. This is like a blank slate, because it's a stem cell, so it can replace whatever cell that is dead in the body or that is ailing. So whatever the body needs, this stem cell can always renew it, revitalize it. So that is the great thing with stem cell. So if you use this and also use the crown stem bowl, I tell you, prostate involvement will be far away from you, even right to your old age. And also, this does not, they also treat every other system in your body as well as you are taking them. So you feel younger than ever before. And also the issue of infertility that can bring sometimes divorce or bring quarrel, unhappiness at home. All those issues will be things of the past. Men that cannot perform, that they have erectile dysfunction, they have come back, brought back their own vitality and vigor again. So, if you are there, I recommend strongly this to you as a man, as a guy. Hold this firmly and use it to prevent many maladies. The root of most ailments you will prevent with this. So, why let prostate conditions dictate your life? Come and join many men that are singing a song of joy after using Vigor Board and Crown Stem Board. Join them because you can smile again. You can bring your life back again. You can bring back your vigor. You can bring happiness to your marriage again. So, why wait?